Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, ICN Noor Academy. Let's start the assembly with Surah Al-Fatiha.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستقيم اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Thank you, Amin. That was a great recitation. Now, kindergarten will tell us why we come to ICN.
So, kindergarten sharks, tell me, why do we come to ICN?
To be a better Muslim.
Oh, you already know we come to ICN to become better Muslims, and being better Muslims makes us better people, and better learners, and a better community. Excellent. Okay.
And now let's look at some of our friends remembering to say Bismillah.
I start painting when I say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
That's awesome, guys. Keep those videos coming. And inshallah, I have more stuff from you next week. Last time we said that cycles we see in nature are signs of Allah's creation. And then I asked you what other cycles besides the seasons you have noticed in nature. So Saif talked about the alternation of the night and day, and Zaidan talked about the water cycle.
First is morning, that's when we eat breakfast, and that's when the sun is up. And then noon is when the sun goes upper, and then afternoon is when the sun is still up, and then evening is when the sun starts to go down, and then night is when we go to sleep, and then morning comes up, and then the cycle starts all over again.
Evaporates into the air, condenses into clouds, rain back down, then gets collected and evaporates again.
Amazing! Thank you for sending in your observations of the signs of Allah's creation all around us. Now it's time to know who will recite Surah Al-Fatiha next time, and for that, instead of the name jar, I have my name hat. So let's see. The next person is Noor S. Congratulations, Noor. Inshallah, see you next time. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.